Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if this is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And to my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. You are awesome. So, in today's video, I want to share with you on how I make my plantain porridge with vegetable. Okay, so let's get into the video. Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so long. So in this recipe, I will be using unripe plantain. However, you can use a combination of ripe and unripe plantain. Most people do this, in order to in order to achieve a faint sugary taste. Okay, so I will go ahead to peel the plantain, slice them, and wash, put in the pot, then put on heat. Okay, I'll cook it for like 10 minutes before adding other ingredients. So while the plantain is on heat, I will go ahead to slice the tomatoes and onion. I will also debone the dry fish. I'm using dry fish. Ebangwa. So now I will go ahead to debone the fish. Guys, this recipe is very rich in iron and is highly recommended for diabetic patients. So if you are searching for Nigerian food for diabetic patients, I would recommend this unripe plantain first, and you can choose to prepare it anyhow you want. It's very, very good. Now it's time to add the ingredients. I'll first add the dry fish because the dry fish is somehow strong. Okay, I'll also add ground crayfish. I like using enough crayfish and whenever I'm cooking porridge or jollof rice, so you can put the quantity you want. Okay, black pepper, you can choose to use fresh pepper. I'll also add sliced onion. Add in the sliced tomato, spices, at this point I have to add red oil. Okay, so I have to stir until the plantain absorbed all the ingredients and allow it to boil for 15 minutes before adding the vegetables. Keep watching, guys. Guys, I'll be using vegetable, so you can choose to add vegetable as much as you want. Fruited pumpkin is the best. Ogo is a good choice. Okay, for you to enjoy plantain with vegetable, you have to add enough vegetable. Okay, cover it, allow it to simmer before adding the last thing. Then at this point I have to add fresh tomato, another fresh tomato, and sliced onion. Okay. Then stir everything together. Guys, what do you think about this? It's good to eat it when it's very fresh. You will love making porridge plantain with vegetable almost every day. Guys, I love this recipe. Hey, I don't always put it in our menu, but whenever I cook it, the kids jump at it. This is yummy. Okay, so just cover it, allow it to simmer just for 2 minutes, and you have made super delicious plantain porridge. You can serve this meal, with a chilled bottle of your favorite drink. And guys, my own favorite drink. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is a plate of porridge plantain. Thank you so much for staying to this far. I really appreciate you. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Do you like it with vegetable or you don't like it with vegetable? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, wow, I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much. God bless you. So I will see you in our next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.